Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we have this platform called Saleshandy, and this is the best cold email software. So before we discuss any further, you can head over to the link in the description, using which you can get extended free trial as well exclusive benefits and rewards out of this platform. So sales and cold emailing is something that is really popular nowadays, and you have wide range of features to simply customize your cold email to change it to a warm lead or anything like that. So you have your filters, you can add your name, you have your location, and you can see the roles, departments, skills, and everything is nicely listed in here, so you can categorize and customize everything. On the left side you can see your lead finder, you have your unified inbox, and you have your sequences, so you can create different sequences for different businesses. And to create a sequence, you can click on this create sequence option. It will be asking you a couple of questions and fields that you need to fill up in order to create a new sequence. You have your prospects email sequence score, which is going to be displaying how well your sequence is doing. Even if you want to modify anything in the sequence, you can simply customize them as well. Like for example, you can add email account, and you have your safety settings, email verification, and much more. So everything is related to cold emailing. And you can see one-on-one insights. You have your templates for mailing as well, so this is a really nice feature. Click on new template and you can add a template in here for the email, and it will be ready for the next time you need it. You have your reports, like in many of these platforms, to give you analytics of how your emails are doing. So adding on to this, we have reviews about it as well, and people are saying very happy with the products and services. Best software, amazing filtering capabilities. So as we discussed about the filtering system it is going to be providing you a lot of value, so make sure to give it a try and you will be definitely be loving it. So you can head over to the link in the description to access this and also get yourself extended free trial as well exclusive bonuses. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.